Good morning. This is Prem with technical analysis. Let's look at Bitcoin. So we've seen the market, taking out 26 billion as a total. But if we look at basically what's going on in Bitcoin, we could see first of all that the volume is doubled. Usually we see around $4 billion in Bitcoin circulation, but it was 8 billion yesterday. So really we can see a doubling of the volumes. And if you look at the market cap, you can see basically 98 billion is the market cap. So we're below the $100 level, $100 billion level, which we usually see, which is also kind of like a psychological kind of rate. So if we see Bitcoin coming back to 57, 5,800, then this $100 billion market cap would be back again. But up to now, we're just below it. We are 2 billion below the $100 billion mark. So let's see how this is going to roll. Let's look at the chart. So yeah, this is the daily chart on Bitstamp, and we can see basically that, yeah, I mean, the candles speak for themselves in the last 24 hours. Basically, we had a big hit. Right now here on Bitstamp, it's doing 58, 55, 58, and yeah, it's doing here. It went even as low as 5,300 basically. So that is also amazing how it, a little bit recovered again. If we look at the RSI out up here, we can see basically there was, we are out of alignment, so it needs to come back to alignment to the 30% level. It might be a buying opportunity a little bit out of here, but more in the technical oscillators and moving averages. So we are below the 50 moving average, the 50-day moving average. So let's see if we are coming back to that 50 again. And looking at the stochastics, yeah, it's we see it's crossing again, so there might be a small chance that we can go up again. Let's see how this is going to happen. It's all probability in the end. The volumes, we can see there was a huge volume yesterday, basically, which we've seen up there. Now let's zoom in into a 1 hour chart to see the difference. Again, the RSI out of the pavement, so it will come back to that whole thing. We can see right now we're experiencing low volume, and that's why it's going sideways. So yeah, let's see it from here. So you can see what happened basically in the 1 hour chart. We were just going down, 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 a lot of volume, and still going down. And now basically the volume is not there anymore, and that's been going sideways around this $5,500, $5,600 level. Really interesting to see how this is evaluating. Let's continue to the oscillators first. So we can see it's a little bit off neutral, and reason being that RSI is a buy. I was showing you here in this chart, when it's out of this pavement, it is possible that there's a good buying opportunity. So that is basically what the RSI telling us, and the stochastics is quite neutral. I was showing you the stochastics as well out up here. Here is the 1 hour chart. They crossed each other again, so there's a possibility to come up actually. But yeah, obviously it's quite premature, and that's why most probably this is on neutral at this point of time. The awesome escalator, I do not know that much. The MACD is giving a sell on the 12 and the 26 settings. Let's see how this is going to roll. But yeah, there is a small buying opportunity if you look just at momentum in the 1 hour chart. Now, let's look at the moving averages. So we are all below the moving averages, below the 10, 12, 20, 50, 100, 200. So it's definitely still we can. It's saying a strong sell, but it's basically giving us we are in a sell mode right now. Very interesting to see what is the daily range right now. As I said, on this it's giving us 57.64, and we can see the daily range is between 56.38, but bigger on the upside, actually around 59.40. So 5900 has been said to be a resistance line. So let's see if that is going to be there. Yesterday we could see that it was a support, and it just went through the support like anything. All right. So this was the news for today. I hope you like it. Please like and subscribe. Go to our website, bitcoinmagazine.nl. This was Prem with technical analysis.